Yes, happening live here. Happening live here. All this you are seeing are people who left their home since yesterday night to meet up with their business. People who left their business. People who left their home and took night bus in order to get to their businesses the next day, this morning in Lagos. But they were held here by the Nigerian armies who always collect 1,000 naira from the buses. Every checking point, Nigerian army collects 1,000 naira. So today the people are saying they are not paying the money again. They are not giving the 1,000 naira again. Look at all the whole Osiris bus. This is night bus. By this time they were supposed to be in their different destinations since Lagos. But they were stopped over here by 3 a.m. By 3 a.m. and from 3 a.m. till this time they are still here. They said they aren't going to pay that money again. They said they will not pay the money again. They say they won't pay this money again. Please, all the whole Osiris bus, I'm supposed to catch my flight this morning in Lagos. I'm supposed to catch my flight this morning in Lagos. Here I am. Yes, so it's happening here. When we are here? We are in Benin. Since 3 a.m. Since 3 a.m. we are in Benin here. We are being held by the Nigerian army. We are being held by the Nigerian army. They say we should pay 1,000 naira per Osiris bus. This is what is happening here in Benin. Since 3 a.m. 2 a.m. they held all the whole Osiris bus here. Every day they collect money. Every checking point, Nigerian army collects 1,000 naira. So today the people say they are not paying again. People say they are not paying again. We are tired of this country called Nigeria. Stealing by tricks. Stealing by tricks. Extorting the people. Extorting the people. This is all the whole Osiris bus going to Lagos that left since 9 p.m. They were supposed to be in Lagos by now. They will head here. Nigerian army extorting them every day. But today the people saying they are not paying the money again. They are tired of paying 1,000 naira per every checking point. And from here to Lagos, you have more than 25 checking points.